Hello, my name is Nehal Ravindra Chaudhary and today date is 24 September 2021. Today topic is access modifier. So I will explain you all kind of access modifier. First of all, I will explain you what is access modifier. Access modifier is specifically have a scope to change the field method and constructor. If you want to take an access modifier, then you can change and you can give the access modifier to constructor, field and method. There are the four type of access modifier. First one is a public, second one is a private, third one is a protected, and fourth one is a default. So now I will explain you public access modifier. Public access modifier is accessible everywhere. We can access is within the class, outside the class. Public access modifier we can access the within the package, outside the package. Public access modifier we can access within the package but not outside the, but within the project but not outside the project. For example, package pack, then class A, public class A, then method public void message, then sysout hello, then another package pack, import the package, then class B, then static public static void main string args, then public, then create a object class A, object equals to new A, then A dot object. It means that it accessible to another package as well, because first package is public. So second point is a private. Private is accessible only within a class, not outside the class, not outside the package, not outside inside the package. For example, private private is, for example, package pack into class A, then public void message sysout hello, then another class my class, then into public static void main string args, then create object class A, object equals to new A, then method access A dot object. But first one is a private class and second one is a public class, so it's not accessible to another class. Last one is a protected. Protected is accessible within the package, it's not accessible outside the package. Package is same as it's strict, it is like a private access modifier. For example, protect package pack, then class A, then method public void message, then sysout hello, then next class, next package my package import pack, then class B, then public static void main, then create object A, object equals to new object, then access the method A dot object. It means that first class is not accessible to another package because the protected is only accessible into the package. So next one is a default. Default, when you don't want to use any kind of access modifier, then it's by default use the default access modifier. Access modifier is strictly than the private and protected. For example, default class A, then public void method, then into pair of curly braces sysout, then another class B, then string args main method, then create an object class object A, object equals to new object, then A dot object. it means that it's not also accessible to another class, because it's by default there is no any use of the any access modifier. Then I will explain you non access modifier. It is a static, final and abstract synchronization. So first one is a final keyword. Whenever you assign the value, then you can change the value. Whenever you can change the method and you can change the data. This is called the final variable, final method. Then second one is a static variable is same as a class variable. You can access the non-static variable to do the static variable, but you can't access the static variable to non-static variable. Then third one is a, so these are point of accessible, access modifier and non-access modifier. Thank you.